All right, we just put 500 in. We're playing 10 bucks. Could win up to $40,000. We're gonna have a little session here. Ready for a session? Let's do it. All right, fours. 4 fours would be nice. Ooh, close. Get it to 600. Okay, do it again. All right, nothing but a queen. Did okay there. Okay. Bala and Boo Boo. Nothing. Down to 550. Ooh, 1, 2, 3 sixes. Another 6 would be $1 million. That would be 2,500. 2,500. That'd be nice. Give me another 6. Close. Not really. Okay, 3s. And 3s are good. 3s. Not this time. What else we got? We got nothing there. Keep going. Ooh, aces. 4 aces and a kicker. 40,000 bucks. There's your Jackie. Come on, Jackie. Nothing there. King. All right, reset. We got 500 there. I think we've broken even. Let's keep going. Okay, 8s. Nothing. 6s. That's not a 6. That's a 6. Get that 8 out of there. Nothing. Well, we got Jack and Queen. There's no 10 there. You can go for the inside straight. I don't like to do that. If there's a 10 there, then I get screwed. No, nothing. Okay, keep going. Okay, aces. 2 more aces, baby. Nothing. There's the 2 aces on the next draw. Quick draw. Nothing there. That's complete nothing. Okay, we're down to 300. Okay, bring it back up. Let's keep doing it. 4s are always nice. We get 2 more and a kicker. Nothing. 3s. 2 more 3s. Nothing. Queenie. Oh, McSweeney down to 150, guys. Come on. This could be a big babu or a big poo-poo. Okay. Kings. 2 more kings. We just got a couple there. Ooh, aces. 2 more aces, please. No, not tonight. Okay, I'm gonna go king, jack, schmack. Okay, we got the king. Okay, jackies. McSmacky, 2 more. No, just sitting there playing with your weenus. 9s, 2 more 9s. Okay, down to 100, guys. This is the pickle. Oh, there was 2 more 7s. Everyone will be in heaven. Okay, we're down to our last pool, 50 bucks. Do it. 7s. Show it to me. And there's your situation right there.